I know you guys are probably watching this like, where has this fucking girl been? Hold on. The sun is so bright. You can't even see it. I'm trying to get this to go right. But I know you're probably like, where has this girl been? I've been stressed out, working. Very much working. Okay, and honestly, I'm about to get back out with y'all because I really feel like I just have not been living my best life. Like, I live my best life because I'm alive and, you know, well, very well. But my best life is just as far as exploring, doing more stuff. Like, maybe because I've been in the trapped in mood, like, for a long time. Like, not doing so much, you know, just being, like, just very chill, in, like, a chill vibe, you know? But I'm about to be back outside because I'm tired of being a fucking homebody. I miss the old me. Like, the best parts of the old me. Because, like, some people would say, like, the old me, I was mean. But I had to be. And I see why. Because, like, the nice me, people have really been fucking around, man. They really been fucking around. And, honestly, I ain't gonna say I'm gonna be a different person because I'm always me, but I'm just I know how I'm gonna move with certain people now, like, accordingly. So I don't know when what this vlog is gonna be, but it's gonna be a vlog, man. So I'm getting my nails done. I told you guys earlier when I was on my break what I'm gonna be doing. So yes, I'm here with Miss I Love You, Miss Jackson herself, okay, the nail extraordinaire. So I'm gonna tag her in the video as well.
Hold on. Let's be clear. I know my hair tied up right now, but you know Tati did my damn hair. You know.
Slay. Install on 10, okay? Yeah, but we're gonna finish up and I'll show you guys my nails when I'm done. Bye. Okay, I'm back. It's a different day. It's the 3rd of January, actually. And I feel like I want to do my makeup. I ain't did my makeup in a while. I got new products. I got some Fenty Beauty. Then I got the little Morphe spray. So we're going to see how these is hitting. I know I got something else. Oh, and I got the Rihanna Sweet Mouth lip gloss. I just love it so bad. And that's pretty much it for, like, new makeup. My makeup, oh, and I bought some sponges. My makeup routine has changed so much. Like, I don't even be doing, like, the same type of makeup I was doing before. Like, now I really focus mainly on concealer. Like, the Fenty is just to give me a nice base, because I have a nice base. I feel like my skin it can be problematic sometimes. It just depends on what I've been eating. If I've been drinking a lot of coffee, if I've been drinking my fluids, you know, that's how my skin reacts to my environment, you know. And honestly, I noticed, like, certain things really affect your body. People, energy, all of that, it affects you. So just really be mindful of the energy you're allowing around you daily, and be mindful of the people you're allowing to speak certain things to you. Because people speak things from a place of their own, their own insecurities, their own things that they lack in their life. So I never take anyone's, like, comments and concerns to my life. Like, I take that shit with a grain of salt. You get me? Because that don't make the big picture. That don't, the salt don't make the meal. You get me? Like, still gonna be seasoned. All right. So, yeah. So we're gonna get back. I'm gonna get back with you guys. We're gonna see. A lot of people see me on the surface and they don't really know me inside. Like, some people know me inside, like, because I'll share who I am, or, they'll see me in motion. But for you guys to really know me and connect with me, I feel like I have to be more open. I have to be more consistent. Okay, so I'm in the line at Chick-fil-A. I'm getting me and Ty some freaking Chick-fil-A, of course. And we literally ordered the same thing. The girl is a psychopath. She is me. I am her. But we're going to record a video today, so y'all see that footage along with this vlog. yeah, so just stay tuned. We're gonna get spicy, we're gonna get real nice. I'm kind of ashy, that's why my skin not glowing right now, because I didn't put on any lotion before I left the house, but I was rushing. Well, not rushing, but I just wanted to be on time, like I said I was gonna be on time, you know? That's what we're working on this year. Accountability and being on time, honey. Okay, so I'll check back in with you guys when I get to Ty's house. We're gonna eat, do our makeup, record the vlog. Well, I'm recording this vlog, but record our video. We active all 2022 on the channel. Okay, so I'm back. I've done my makeup already. I ate my Chick-fil-A already. I'm on some Cash Cow apparel. Okay, drinking some sangria right now. So yeah, this might be it for the vlog. I know it's a bunch of days discombobulated, but I don't know. If there's more footage, you'll see it after this. But this is the first week, basically, of January, and that's how it's going. So yeah, cheers to the New Year's. Wealth and health, blessings, prosperity, and everything good to come. Cheers. We're here in Walmart. We're buying a whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna make some stack pants today, so I'll be recording that for the channel as well. Ty is buying some curtains, noise reduction curtains for her house. I'm gonna tag her Instagram right there, so follow her. So we're just buying a bunch of stuff that is essential for our house. It's not that we don't have essentials, but you know, it's just little stuff you need, like a trash can. I was tying stuff on the door with Walmart bags, so you know, I done upgraded myself getting a trash can today. So yeah, I'll be back. And wait, makeup is beat though. Okay, so we're going to make some extendo leggings. I bought these sweatpants from Walmart. This is Ty, of course. She's making hers, so we're going to use the E6000, build it up. I may let y'all see how we do it, may not, I don't know.
All right, guys, stay tuned. We're making extendo leggings.
Mr. Clayton, welcome.